Unlocking the meaning of wave something away. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, wave something away. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and unlock the meaning and usage of wave something away. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of wave something away. To wave is a physical action where you move your hand back and forth. This movement is often used to signal or indicate something. When we add something away to this verb, it signifies the action of using this waving gesture to dismiss or refuse something. Imagine someone offering you a flyer on the street, and you wave your hand to indicate that you do not want it. That's waving something away in its most literal sense. Beyond its literal meaning, wave something away is often used in a more figurative sense. It can describe dismissing not just physical items but also ideas, feelings, or suggestions. For example, if someone offers a piece of advice that you think is unnecessary, you might wave it away, mentally, meaning you're disregarding it without much consideration. Let's look at a few examples to see how it's used. She tried to express her concerns, but he just waved them away. Here, wave them away means he dismissed her concerns as unimportant. I waved away the thought of any danger as I embarked on the solo hike. In this sentence, waved away is used to describe dismissing fear or anxiety. Understanding the nuances and the tone behind wave something away is crucial. This phrase can sometimes carry a connotation of carelessness or nonchalance. It implies that the person doing the waving considers the item, idea, or concern to be unworthy of their attention or response. It's important to consider the context in which it's used, as it can sometimes be perceived as dismissive or disrespectful, depending on the situation and the relationship between the people involved. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, wave something away. We've seen how it can be used literally and figuratively to denote the action of dismissing or refusing something. Remember, understanding these phrases in context can greatly enhance your fluency and help you express yourself more like a native speaker. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll wave away any hesitation to use this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.